If you want to edit your lock screen on OPPO Find X9 Pro, what you can do is you can open Settings. Next, we're gonna go to Home Screen, Lock Screen, and Style, and then in here we have our current lock screen. So you can tap on it in order to start customizing it. Now we have the wallpaper, so of course if you want to, you can choose a completely different wallpaper. If you select the wallpaper, or if you want to slightly adjust the wallpaper, remember that you can easily zoom in and zoom out with the pinching gesture, and with 2 fingers you can actually move the wallpaper up and down. Then we have the style, so you can apply one of these styles, and we also have the enlarge option that allows you to, for example, expand the wallpaper slightly to, for example, hide some stuff in order to, for example, make sure that the main focus is on the subject in here, although of course this option is not always available. Besides that, we have these different styles that we can easily set up, and we also can apply a blur too. Besides that, we have the depth option that allows you to hide the clock behind the subject if the subject doesn't cover the clock entirely, or if it just covers slightly, just like that, as you can see over here. So part of the clock can be easily hidden just like this. Besides that, of course, we can tap on the clock in order to find the customization of the clock and its colors. And also at the bottom we have shortcuts, so we can tap on them in order to adjust these shortcuts, or of course remove them by choosing none over here. Once you are done with your changes, you can just press apply in here in the upper right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.